being employed is better than being unemployed. A man came to the Prophet and said to him, O Messenger of God, I am poor. I have no food to feed my family and my children. Please help me. So at this, Prophet gave him an axe and advised him to go to the jungle, gather some woods and sell them to the bazaar. So he did so. He went to the forest, gathered a good bundle of woods, sold them to the bazaar and got some money and purchased some food as well as clothes for his family and his children, and then returned to the Prophet. So at his return, Prophet said to him very important thing, that all work, no matter how simple it is, better than sitting around and complaining about poverty, circumstances, and waiting for the charity. So this incident contains a great lesson for all of us that impels us to work. Instead of expecting someone that they would help us, they would give us charity. So we should not sit idle. Instead, we should actuate ourselves to work. Thank you so much.